All right, let's go ahead and go and set up our email list. In order to do that, I'm going to click out of this. I'm going to make sure I save this page because I'm going to come back and we're going to go exit. And we're going to come up here to the follow-up funnels, email lists, and we're going to go and we're going to make a new email list. So I'm going to call it Epic Growth Academy email list, and we'll call it just, e-commerce. And we want to click create new list. That's pretty much it. And so we've gone ahead and done that. Now that the list is created, we can also create a follow-up funnel for it. So I want you to do that as well. So click create follow-up funnel as soon as you've done that. And we'll call it Epic Growth Academy follow-up funnel. And we'll call it, give it an e-commerce tag again. And I'll just click create follow-up funnel. It'll save it. And I don't have to actually do anything else here, but we'll go ahead and do like notify admin, and we'll also go ahead and do a ClickFunnels internal because we just wanted to notify us that, let's go ahead, we have a new contact. So email notification, and I'll put in my email address and go to next. And we want it to send right away, so we'll just go ahead. And we could also make it sure that it only sends during specific hours. If you wanted to do a send window, for example, you only wanted it to send from like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., for example. You can also do that too. And you just click review for sending. You can also click which days. Let's go ahead and do that, and then click review for sending. You don't need to do that though, so I'll just go ahead and do it. And click make live, and okay. And so we've gone ahead and added that. We want to come back and go to our funnel. So let's go ahead and come back out and go back to our funnel. And let's go into the Epic Growth Academy funnel and come in and edit the page. All right, so once we've done that, we come into integrations. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click. We want to undo this, so let's come back. And we want to go and click internal, add to list. And we're going to go in and find our Epic Growth Academy list. We're done. Save. And you can see that right here now. Now it is integrated. Of course, you want to change all of the stuff that's on this page, right? So you don't want to have a page like this because this is just gibberish here. You want to understand what you're exactly selling. I'm going to get into that stuff now, but wanted to basically show you this so that you had an understanding of how this process works. So basically, if I come here and if I click on this, I'll go ahead and launch it. Now I can click book my guided tour. It comes down here, but if I try to exit, meaning I've moved my mouse up here, it goes ahead and it pops up this form, right? So in order for us to be able to complete this form, we need to complete the next step, right? Oh, the next step could be a launch page. It could be an order form. It could be whatever it is, right? And so on here, it's a launch page. We can go in, we can pick a template. We don't need to keep those. You can actually delete them. You can go and delete any of these. It's good to have a launch page. So we'll go ahead and we can select any template. I'll just pick the first one this way. They could land on a page after they complete the actual opt-in itself. And in the next video, I'm going to actually go into the nuts and bolts of giving something away for free and then go into the process of how you can actually create and build your offer and find the right thing to sell. All right, I'll see you on the next video.